What are weft hair extensions? Everything you need to know about it. If you've been scrolling through Instagram or TikTok lately, you've probably seen hair transformations that seem almost impossible. Fine shoulder-length bobs suddenly becoming thick, waist-grazing manes. There's a high chance that magic isn't a vitamin supplement. It's weft hair extensions. Unlike clips that you have to wrestle with every morning or individual keratin bonds that can take hours to install, wefts have become the it girl of the salon world. They offer a perfect middle ground, maximum volume, minimal damage, and a seamless blend. https rawhair-luxury.com/what-r-weft-extensions-and-what-we-need/ #weft hair extensions. #what is a weft hair extensions? #real weft hair extensions. #machine weft hair extensions. #raw hair luxury.